Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy tickets for Eiffel Tower. So let's get started. So first of all, you go to this website right here. And after that, you have to scroll down and then you have to select the ticket that you want. If you want a ticket for the top or the second floor or the first floor. Let's say, for example, we wanted to get a ticket for the top. You can simply press on Explore. And after that, you have to select the time that you wanted to make the visit for. Let's say the 31st, for example. After that, you have to select how many tickets do you want and what's the type of the ticket. Let's say you want just one ticket for an adult, and then you have to press on confirm the number. And after that, you scroll down and you select the type of the visit that you want. And let's say, for example, the second floor. And then you press on choose this floor. And after that, you have to select an offer. And basically, you have to scroll down and press on confirm. And then you have to select the time, let's say 9:30, and then you press choose this time. And after that, you have to press on confirm my order, and then it's going to lead you to the payment process where you have to pay. So that was the video for today. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Cheers.